Atlanta Train Show, January 19th, 2019. See what we saw there. This past weekend, we took a long drive up to Atlanta. In fact, 630 miles one way. But it took a little bit longer than that because we had to go to Orlando to drop off Sadie at Debbie's sister's house. And then we saw my daughter and granddaughter at the college recruiting for field hockey players in Sanford. That took us about 80 or 90 miles out of the way. So we finally got to Atlanta Friday night at about 10:30. There was several layouts there, a couple T-track, N scale, HO scale, S scale, O scale, and even G scale. So we're going to have a couple of videos on this, and I think I'm going to do the N scale, which was a really massive. We're going to do that one by itself. And that was from, what was their name? Athens Bend Track. And that was a really big one. I got a lot of footage on that. Debbie got a lot of footage on that. And since it was a train show, I had to come out of there with something. And let me show you what I got. I got this little kit. It's a wooden kit. It's probably from back in the 50s, maybe 60s, with wood and metal. It even has detail on the inside. You could see the slats on the inside. I don't know if you could see it in there, but anyway, believe me, it's on there, and on the floorboards also. And it has the suspension on the bottom, and it has non-working couplers on it, but that's all right. $10 for that. Okay, and bar mills. I don't have this one. Shaw Ridge Equipment and Supplies. This will go nicely over, right over here with some of my other kits. All I have to do is put this together like a bunch of my other kits that I have to put together. I think I got about 4 or 5 bar mills now and some other ones. A nice t-shirt, B&O t-shirt. And Debbie got a t-shirt also. Here is Debbie's t-shirt with the embroidered train on there. Looks really nice. And 13 bucks. That was really good. That was the best buy of the entire trip. While we were there, we went to the Southeastern Railway Museum, which was a few miles down the road, and we got a lot of footage over there too, and they had a model railroad there also. So let's get started with this right now on some of the stuff that we've seen in Atlanta. At 9 o'clock and the parking lot's full already, so we have to take the trolley. Yeah. There's our driver up there. We're the first ones on the trolley. We just missed the parking lot, the last space in the parking lot. So here we are on a trolley getting ready to go over there. Haven't looked at anything yet, but I'm just going to get an overall view. Okay. I see some layouts way in the back. I see a lot of Lionel. See a lot of old people older than me. There's a concession stand that's closed. Okay, a lot of lanterns right there. Okay, now we're going to walk around for a while and see what we can find. Georgia Division Atlantic Coast S Gaugers. They have a sign.
All the, like, what is it, a stone?
They got all the buttons on their side. Okay, look at this. This one has got buttons to put. Go ahead, mash one, baby. Do the horn. Oh. Oh yeah, the baggage guy right there. See the guy right there?
And then I hung up with those old guys. We went to the next desk. I remember some watching this. We went to so he was great. Those old guys were, come on, we love seeing you.
I met up with Jeff Morgan, one of my subscribers, and I even remembered to get a selfie. And it was good to meet you, Jeff. Really getting crowded now. Look at that.
It's crowdier than it was.
Yeah, it's 11:30 now.
Man, I can't believe there's so many people.
They're still coming in.
Get the hamburger place.
Frosty Bar. That's neat. Hey, there goes your Chick-fil-A cow up there, baby.
Oh, right.
I got that one right there. That's missing a leg on it. Okay. All right. Still a lot of people here. My goodness. There's a spittoon. $25 for that. Yeah. Three and a half miles from here.
A museum? A
Yeah.
train museum?
Uh-huh.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I got it on the map. Look at this. Yeah, these are some old kits. This is an old wooden kit,
Yeah.
but they use really shiny paint on there.
And then cable.
Yeah.
Hi, you guys looking for anything particular?
No, nothing in particular.
All right.
Just looking.
That's a pretty, let me see which car, that's a pretty old car. It's probably, I'm not sure if that's, who made that one?
That's a wooden kit.
Yeah, it's probably in the box there. All those cars down there are from the 50s. Maybe even
Oh, okay.
Combination of wood, metal, and some of them are like a enamel tin
Yeah.
type cars.
All right, thanks. There are sidewalks. Dots. Look at that. A lot of stuff to go through. Everybody's in the HO stuff over there. Can't get close.
I'm surprised you didn't find nothing yet.
I'm still looking. Haven't looked really hard yet.
Huh?
Haven't looked really hard yet, though.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The best part of the show was watching all the little kids getting excited about the model railroads, including myself.
trying to describe you what he's doing. He's talking about 7 and 9 inch radius curves. And I'm like, you can't do that in modular railroading. He says, oh yeah, I am. I'm like, no.
Here's the G scale. The only problem is most of these layouts, they don't have signs, so I gotta take a little bit of video and then find out what the club is. From the other end. There's a T-track. Where are we at here? Piedmont Southern, okay. TT scale.
And it's the right size, too. Good to see a fellow head scale. Yeah. I've been doing this for a while.
Another T-track. How you doing? Are you sure? I guess this is the last of the layouts here, right here.
Yeah.
Taking a break right now. Well, just like all the other shows, a lot of O scale, S scale, N scale, and very little HO. Some of the vendors have some HO mixed in with their O scale stuff, but there was very little vendors, maybe one or two, that had HO scale. This is 4 hours later. This is about 1:15. Still going strong. And we found a few chairs over here to rest. Coming up in the next video, I'll show you some clips from this HO scale modular railroad and of course the N scale that I talked about earlier. So keep an eye out for it.